Member of Parliament for Turkana North.
A day after MPs claimed the Salaries and Remuneration Commission unlawfully determined their salaries, the Commission, charged with the responsibility of overseeing the implementation of the new constitution, CIC, has upheld that it's indeed the Salaries Commission that has the sole responsibility to setting salary scales.
The constitution says that they will set, so ultimately it is them.
Ikembe South MP Mithika Linturi raised a storm after tabling a notice of motion in Parliament which seeks to eject SRC Chair Sarah Serem and her commissioners, saying they bypassed the Parliamentary Remuneration Commission.
In cases where salaries of certain state officers have been provided by a certain statute, then she is supposed to make recommendations. Then those recommendations are supposed to go to Parliament, and then Parliament amends those acts of Parliament so that they are in tandem with the regulations that have been made by Serem.
By this, Linturi meant that because the Parliamentary Remuneration Commission exists through an act of Parliament, then that makes it superior, and SRC could only make recommendations on what elected officers should earn. But Nyachae says under the current constitution, the mandate to set salaries explicitly lies with the SRC.
The only point that we have been making is that constitutional mandate be respected. And I think as long as that is done, I think any state officers who feel that they need to speak with the SRC or agitate or negotiate or dialogue or put their case forward, I think it's perfectly in order. In fact, that's the way it should be.
Nyachae spoke on the sidelines of the senator's induction in Naivasha, where SRC Chair Sarah Serem was also in attendance. Serem declined to be drawn into the debate.
Thank you so much.
What are your thoughts on the current petition?
But in a letter to the Attorney General, the Commission sought to have the intended debate by members of Parliament stopped until a case filed by Embu County Speaker Justice Mate challenging SRC's mandate in setting salaries for elected leaders is heard and determined. Serem, however, found support from the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights.
It is also a fact that the Salaries and Remuneration Commission went around gathering information and talking to this issue of the packages for the various offices. They went and consulted largely.
The Rights Commission now says they will seek legal action if MPs go ahead with a plan to oust Serem and other commissioners.
We will take action within the law if the need be that it is actually that we go to court. Negotiations between MPs and SRC had commenced, but whatever effect the threat to ouster commissioners may have on the negotiations remains to be seen. Hussein Mohamed, Citizen Weekend.